Did you know a love story started World War I? Archduke Franz Ferdinand fell deeply in love with Sophie Chotek, but she wasn't royal blood. The Austrian royal family was furious. They banned Sophie from almost every royal event. Their children could never inherit the throne. For years, Sophie lived in the shadows, watching from the sidelines while her husband attended ceremonies alone. But on June 28, 1914, they made a rare appearance together in Sarajevo. Finally, they could be seen as husband and wife in public. They rode through the streets in an open car, Sophie by his side at last. Then shots rang out. Both were killed instantly by an assassin's bullets. Their deaths triggered a web of alliances across Europe. Nation after nation declared war. Within weeks, the world was burning. Millions would die in the trenches. Entire empires would collapse. All because one man chose love over royal protocol. Franz Ferdinand and Sophie's tragic love story didn't just end their lives, it changed history forever.